Okay, so we're out hugging, and what's really interesting is, sadly, there was a terrible accident today, and so it blocked the road. So we usually go to a farmer's market, and there's all kinds of people there, and it's really easy to get the hugs in. And I look at it this way, we're praying for those people that got injured here, but this is about honoring you, but also sometimes something comes up and you get to go deliver some kindness someplace else. So we're kind of playing on the fly, like this wonderful woman here with her daughter who'd like a free hug. Yes?
She's kind of in a really bad mood.
What about you?
I'm okay.
You're okay? Okay, I'm sending you kindness anyway.
I appreciate
All right, peace. So this is what we're gonna do. We've got to hit a few places on the fly. So come on along for the adventure, and we'll see what happens. And by the way, you guys did a beautiful job this week. You really rallied at the end of the week. Log growth took over, and we love you. Because my wife's walking through some rocky stuff. So we're on the fly today. 3 hugs for you guys. All right. Peace. Let's see what we can do.
I need a hug, and that's how the chorus goes. Yeah, come on. I need a hug. You need a hug. Your sister needs a hug, and everybody needs a hug. Like, I need a hug, give me a hug. You call us up just to see how we were doing. You call us up.
We're doing a hug here. This is a hug for Charlie.
Love, always so sincere. You showed us love, and it lives right here. I need a hug. You need a hug. Your mom needs a hug.
Kimbrel.
Oh, it is! Oh my gosh! Did you know you were
the World Series hero?
Great Kimbrel doppelganger.
Go Sox!
I need a hug, and that's how the chorus goes. Yeah, come on. I need a hug. You need a hug. Your mom needs a hug, and your dad needs a hug. Your brother needs a hug, and your sister needs a hug, and everybody needs a hug. Like, I need a hug, give me a hug. You call us up just to see how we were doing. You call us up 'cause you're one amazing woman. You showed us love, always so sincere. You showed us love, and it lives right here. I need a hug. You need a hug. Your mom needs a hug, so I gave her one. Your brother needs a hug. Your sister needs a hug. And everybody needs a hug right now.
Teach a class, which you're facilitating, right? We can teach them. And it's 26 weeks, and one of the things that they do is, this week is an exercise just for them to go out and identify kindness everywhere and everyone and everything. And then they record it in the members area. I saw a woman open a door. My son gave me a hug, whatever, just to become aware of kindness. And if they get to 4,000 or more, which you did, then you get 5,000, then you go out and hug one person for every member and choose. That's all it's for.
I like it.
Yeah, I don't have any pamphlet about, how we're going to say it. It's just, we're honoring them.
And one smile at a time.
One
That's
smile
awesome.
at a time.
It's contagious,
Yeah.
I tell you.
I love your heat.
En español, necesito hug. Necesitas hug. Tu madre needs a hug. Tu padre needs a hug. Nosotros necesitamos todos gozar. Ellos necesitan nosotros. We had you as a friend and feel so truly blessed. To have you as a friend was like totally the best. I wrote this song right when I was feeling blue.
Here's another hug. This is me and my sweetie. She's so sweet. I love her. This is my precious, perfectly positive, pulchritudinous Pat.
Mom needs a hug, and your dad needs a hug. Your brother needs a hug, and your sister needs a hug.
See, hey.
Yeah, yo, all right, everybody. Here's how we're gonna do it. You're gonna take your one hand, and you're gonna put it around the back. Then you're gonna take your other hand, put it around the head. And you're gonna pull that person towards you. You're gonna show us some love.
Okay, long day of searching for hugs. And got a lot of help from the guides, a lot of help from people. And it just is always a fantastic thing. What we figured out was
Sorry.
My head. So what we figured out was, with the road being blocked and not being able to go to the market like we normally do and see a whole bunch of people at once, we figured that Universal Mind sent us to different places on the fly, and that other people needed kindnesses more than people at the farmer's market
There
today.
you go.
So it's a really good thing. So hugging my bride, okay, and one more hug to end the day, and that's a hug for the members.
Nobody said anything about a kiss.
I can't help it. I'm Italian. Forget about it. You can't hug without kissing. It's just the way it is. You guys did a great job. I hope you caught the energy in the mastermind. We love you. Stay with kindness all the way through the course. Peace.
Aloha.